What's up, I shall see fans? I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube again, but about the video where I'm gonna show you guys how to solve a Rubik's Cube, I can't upload that yet, but here we go. I'm gonna solve it now. In 3, 2, 1, go! It's soft. It's not not soft. Like, you can like, why the hell am I stuttering? It's like solvable, okay? It's scrambled, so I'm not cheating. Yo, you know who my favorite YouTuber is, bro? He's Fulton. Like, he's the GOAT, bro. So cool. I kind of wish you could see my videos, but I don't think that would ever happen. But I'm just gonna try. Fulton, if you see this, just know that I'm your #1 fan. Like, I literally watch you every day. Not even joking, I watch them every day, or maybe the Robros. The Robros are also safe. And checks is kind of like annoying. Yeah, checks, if you see this, you're dumb, bro. But I think it's enough talking. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube. Oh, I think I got a lucky skip. Yeah, that was definitely a lucky skip. Donaldo. Hey, I'm almost done. Bro, ignore my sister, like. This is like trying to be in the video. But here we go. Almost got a new record. Oh, damn. Almost got a new. Oh. I almost got a new record. See, it's 2 minutes and 19 seconds. If you can see. Yep, and here's the solved cube. And that's it. Remember, maybe the next video will have how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Or maybe you could just watch the YouTuber I'm talking about in the next video. Okay, see you later. I solved the Rubik's Cube in under 3 minutes. This video is 3 minutes and probably 25 seconds. So bye.